In this video, we are going to understand the following things. First, how to add music to the Instagram story, the new methods, how to add a link on the Instagram story, how to add multiple photos in Instagram story, add polls or ask questions, add Boomerang, with text, stickers, emojis, GIFs to your next Instagram stories. Schedule your Instagram stories in advance. Believe me, more authentic and creative you will be with your Instagram stories, the more it will pay you off. So first, I'm going to show you how to go and add a music to your Instagram story. To start with, just upload one picture of the story. Now go to the menu section, select the music option, and this will take you to the big list of the music library, from where you select the music of your choice or simply can search one. Now click and add the portion of the music you want your image or your video. Then you click on it just like so, and then it will play recently searched songs for you. And that's how you can add your desirable song on the picture or the videos as per your theme. Another important thing is to add links. If you are in a store or a podcast or maybe a YouTube channel, it's really important to redirect the consumer to a certain channel. That will let your audience and also give your fans more content to consume. Unlike before, Instagram had strict criteria where you need two things to get to certain link. Is you need to have a business account, and the second one is you need to have at least 1,000 followers. So in this case, I don't have 10,000 followers or even a business account, but I won't be able to add links to my stories. But the case is pretty different now. Now you can simply add links to your stories by simply going to the menu option. Here you will find link sticker. Select that and add this to your story, and paste the link of the web and the channel that you want your audience to redirect to. So let me go ahead and press that. That's how you can add a link to your page that can promote your content or business. Add multiple photos to your Instagram story. So take a photo of anything. Then you go into your camera roll and select a photo. You copy that photo. So tap that little box, tap copy, and then you go back to Instagram and you will see this little kind of pop-up there. And then you tap that pop-up and boom, you can place a photo right on your already taken photo. So you tap it the second, you can move it around, do whatever you want. And what's nice is you could do it multiple times. This can make your stories more creative and vibrant than ever. Though you can also use a multiple photo sticker, polls and ask questions to make your Instagram stories engaging and involving for your fan or audience. It's important that you will add lots of fun and ask questions to your fans. Poll stickers on Instagram will let your audience do what? Like you ask their point of views on certain topic, or maybe you can simply ask yes or no questions on the poll section. Well, it's quite engaging as it brings lots of traction and engagement on my podcast as well. Hope it will do for you too. And second, if you want to ask deep questions like how are they feeling today, some best memories they had with their family or any country, their best outfits, and some simple content with the question stickers which you again will find in the menu options. That's a great way to interact. 6. Make Boomerang. Traditionally in Instagram there is a Boomerang tool, and then there's also a Boomerang app from the App Store. However, it's better to switch on the Boomerang option from the Instagram stories itself to turn a start moment into a dynamic and fun way. You can simply press Boomerang, but it seems like a competing one, and here you go. Add filter after the fact. Did you know that if you go and find an existing video or a picture of yours, you can actually still add photos to it, even though you didn't film it with Instagram? So Here are all the different filters that I am using to add a video that I found outside of the Instagram after the fact. Quite fun, no? Bringing text, stickers, emojis, and GIF to your Instagram stories. Hey, let's try out some crazy and creative thing. You might be aware that instead of just layering design elements all above the Instagram stories, you can actually pin the text, stickers, emojis, and GIFs into your videos and even the boomerangs, so they show up the best moments from your life. Also, by pinning creative elements into your Instagram stories videos, you can literally keep your viewers engaged. If you want to do this, just record your videos, then add a creative element like some text, some kind of sticker, whatever suits well. Now tap and just hold the element that you edit. Schedule your Instagram stories in advance. So the best part about this trick is that it can save you lots of time. That's why it's worth doing. We know stories are supposed to be very spontaneous and often be put in. But in reality, if you do not have too much time, you can't do it by your own. No, you're living your life so that you have something to make Instagram stories about. Luckily, you can prep your Instagram stories previously. That will advance with tools like Hootsuite or different dashboards. Bonus. Other 2 left and 1 surprise you as well. Also, don't forget to save your favorite filters. Gratefully, there's a way to build an easy access library of your favorite filters. Wonder how? Open up your Instagram story camera, try to filter the effects that your heart desires. Tap onto the icon of magnifying glass that says Browse Effects. Find an effect, whatever you like. Now click and download the icon. Next time you open your camera, that effect will be available to your select option. You can also see the effect on someone else's stories. Click on the name of the effect to save it from the name. I hope you're going to add some creativity and fun to your Instagram stories, and do comment below and let me know if you get some value from the video. And do not hesitate to share any of your problem into the content creation journey. We are here to help you. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, keep creating and keep having fun.